This is basic proportionality theorem, commonly known as BPT. What the theorem says, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, means one triangle is given to us, okay, and one line which is parallel to the third side of the triangle, okay, and intersect the other two sides in distinct points. So we can write, let this be triangle A, B, and C. Okay, then let D and E be the two distinct points where this line intersects the two sides, and DE and BC are parallel. So now what we have to prove, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So that means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, that we have to prove. So in all the theorem proof, you should write given thing first, okay, because diagram, correct diagram given to prove that, construction, if it has construction, all these things contains mark. So given, we can write in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, now what we have to prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by AC. So here we will do one construction. Construction will be, let draw perpendicular from D to this point. On AC we can write, okay, this is perpendicular, let this point be M, and another one from E on AB side, let this point be N. So we can write DM is perpendicular to AC or AE, because AE is a part of AC, okay. Then EN is perpendicular to AB, AB complete side, or AD also we can write. Now proof. So in proof, first we will write area of this triangle ADE. Okay, so area of ADE in terms of base into height, because height is also given and base is also given. Okay, AD is the base and EN is height. For time being we will ignore DM, because DM is also height of the triangle ADE. Okay, so first we will consider EN as a height. So in triangle ADE, EN perpendicular to AD, suppose, okay. So area of triangle ADE we can write as half base into height, that is half AD into EN, okay. Similarly, BDE triangle, if we consider, for that we have to join these two things, DC we should join and BE. So this also we can mention in construction, join BE and CD. Okay, so now if you consider triangle BDE, triangle BDE, for this triangle BD is the base, okay, BD is the base and height is same, that is EN. See, for an acute angle triangle, means if all the angles are acute angle, so for that perpendicular will lie inside the triangle, okay, this is the perpendicular. For right angle triangle, perpendicular will be side, one of the side, okay, here this is perpendicular we can consider, or this is the perpendicular. But for obtuse angle triangle means one angle is obtuse, for that height will be outside the triangle. This point you should remember. So here our BDE triangle is an obtuse triangle, and for this height is same, that is EN. So here we can write area of triangle BDE is half, base is DB and height is same, EN. Okay, now we'll take ratio of these two. We'll take ratio of 1 and 2. So we will get here left hand side, we will get area of ADE divided by area of BDE is equal to half EN, and half will get cancelled, DB into AN. Okay, these two things will get cancelled. So ADE divided by BDE is equal to AD by DB. Let this be equation 1. Okay, so now for one part we got the ratio AD by DBC, left hand side ratio we got. Now we have to get right hand side ratio. So for that again we will consider triangle ADE, but this time DM as a perpendicular. So DM is perpendicular to AE. So what will be the area of triangle ADE now in terms of height and base? Height is DM and base is AE. Okay. Then we have to consider this area, triangle DEC, which is again an obtuse angle triangle, and for that height is DM, base is EC. Okay. So now area of triangle CED is half DM and EC. Again take the ratio, area of ADE, area of CED is equal to half DM AE, half DM is EC. So DM will go, half will go, and will be left with only AE by EC. Okay. So now this will be our equation 2. So if you check this right hand side of expression 2, we got our right hand side of the proving statement. Okay. So here in equation 1 LHS is there, equation 2 RHS is there. But how to prove that they are equal? So if by somehow if we can prove the left hand side of expression 1 and right hand side of expression 2 are equal, then we can write both these ratios are equal, isn't it? So now how to prove this? So observe, in left hand side of equation 1, the numerator is same as the numerator of the expression 2. Okay, so numerator is same. But what about denominator? This is CDE. Okay, what about denominator? Denominator BDE is there and CDE is there. Both are not equal. But remembering the theorem from class 9, we can prove that these two denominator areas are also equal. Why? Because if you observe this part, BDE triangle means this one and CED triangle means this one. So these two triangles are between same parallels, isn't it? So we have one theorem, area of two triangles lie between the same parallels will be equal. Okay, so that theorem we can mention here, and then by that theorem we can write area of this denominator will be equal to this denominator. Numerator is already equal, that means both the ratios will be equal. So next step will be to write for the denominator part. Right here, triangle BDE and CED are on same base and between same parallels. Okay, so area of triangle BDE will be equal to area of triangle CED. So now from 1 and 2 we can write AD by DB is equal to AE by AC. So this is very important theorem. Okay, basic proportionality theorem or BPT.